Blender, one of the best free video editing software, is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. Blender is open source software. Without time limits. Without watermark. Blender is entirely free to use. Blender was actually designed as a 3D animation software. But it is a very flexible and useful video editor, suits for both beginner and advanced users. Especially, it meets YouTubers' needs. Blender allows you to perform basic actions, like video cuts. The second cuts. Duplicates. And splices. The Blender video editor includes advanced features, such as live preview, that is, previewing the video by changing frames. You see, each frames are dynamically previewed by dragging the timeline of the video. Luma waveform, that is, visualizing the dynamic range of your image. Luma waveform allows you to protect exposure of both your highlights and shadow detail. Chroma vectorscope, that is, judging the quality of the color distribution and saturation. And histogram displays, that is, showing colors distribution. Blender provides up to 32 slots for adding video, images, audio, color, and text. Blender also provides advanced features, such as effects, speed control, adjustment layers, transitions, keyframes, filters, and more. Please do not worry what I talked in the video, I will give details in the tutorial. Thanks for taking time to watch this topic. If you do like my channel, X Science, please subscribe, comment, and share the videos to your friends. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.